ingredients, of course, are tiger shrimp or prawns. Then, an egg, 1 cup of cold water. I'm going to teach you how to devein. To peel the shrimp. So, mahal to, no? This is expensive. It was only given to me. Somebody sponsored my tiger prawn. But don't leave the tail behind. Tapon. And then, so devein it like that. Sometimes wala siyang vein kasi malaki siya. So, yan. And then, we have to straighten the prawn, the shrimp. How to straighten yan? All-in-one tayo. Yan. So, we'll have, again, press it like that. So, it's straightened already. But of course, we're not rich, so I have a lot of mouths to feed. I have to cut the shrimp in half. Yeah. So there you go. The shrimp. Because this is 700 per kilo tiger shrimp. But you can also buy there's also the 400 per kilo, 350. Pang mahirap. Pang mayaman to eh. Pero sponsored lang to sa akin. So, you keep the head. Later, just boil it. Then you sip the head. Or just, when you're going to cook a vegetable, you can use the soup stock. Shrimp soup stock. Wash your hands because it's very itchy. Let's do the tempura sauce first. So, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and mirin. So, this is mirin. You can buy this in the grocery store. Just look for the word mirin because it's written in Japanese. But you can also see the mirin sauce and mirin. It's a sweet vinegar sauce, Japanese sweet vinegar. 2 tablespoons of mirin. We don't have dashi sauce because you can get out. Just pour 1 cup of water and put, voila, chicken cube. Let's put another one. Then cook it, boil, then simmer. Ira, boil it. The oil for the tempura should not be too hot. Now we're going to make the tempura. We have to strain the flour. 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. We're making the tempura batter. The butter. 1 cup of cold water. So 1 egg. Whisk it vigorously. So the egg should be cold and the water should be cold also. You have to throw out the bubbles. Yeah, there you go. Mix. Mix it gently. Let's fry the tempura. The oil should not be too hot. Dip it. Ay, umiikot siya! Oh, wow. Ay, bastos. So, hindi pwedeng tumaw. There's the tempura sauce. Yeah. It's getting warmer, so you should not.
High blood.
You should not.
Ano? Nakaka-high blood.
Oo. Ay! Nako, the oil should still be hot.
Marami ka nilagay.
So, di first time to make tempura. Ay, God! Nubos mo na!
Isa lang eh! Ikaw pa kaya, kaharang siya adobo ko, may manggaman.
Sarap ng sauce! Pwedeng isabaw.
So, here's your...
Sira ang diet plan. Sira! Pagkatapos gumawa ng nanay mo ng tempura at may natira pang butter. Gawa tayo ng butter.
Hindi ba? Hindi. Butter.
Butter. Gagawa tayong quack dog.
Quack dog tayo.
Ay, hindi. Gagawin kong tempura. Tempura dog.
Dapat yung mahaba.
Finished product! Taste test. Ano? Taste test. Thumbnail. Di ba yan? Dilaw na yung tempura. Dilaw pa yung...
Pwede dito.
Huwag na. Okay na yan. Okay na! Dami na ng huhugasan!
Dito. Ang ganda nga yun. Itong kasawa.
The chap!
Kapiraso ko. Ito ah. Kapiraso. Taste test. Ang lasa.
Sarap. Sarap ko lang na ito.
Oops! Huli! Huli, ito oh. Wait.
Kahit ka lang tatawakin. May nasawa ko yan.
Ano? It's good. Yun lang lagi yung script mo, no? Bakit? It's good. It's so delish. Patikim natin ang tempura sauce. Kay Lola dear.
Sabi.
Ganyan. Oh, pil na pilo. Oh, nam sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap. Pag may sausawan. Eating time. Let's eat. Saben, get your food na. Color of the day, yellow. Wala akong favorite. Yellow. Yellow. Saben,
Adobo.
adobo. I'm not yellow. Nakangusap din. Patay. Nakon dyan na yung kontrabida. Pakita mo lagi. Dahan-dahan.
Tapos ko na. Huwag na kayo mag-
Patay. Hindi pa ako nanonood eh.
Takay kita ng helmet.
Ikaw magugas natin po. Ikaw magugas natin po. Yan lahat ng hugasan ko. Para sa dalawang tempura. Naligo pa siya niyan. Para di niya maamoy. Maging... Luluto kami na. Hepon! Anong tawag dito? Tiger bomb? Tiger shrimp. Tiger shrimp prawn. Gawin tempura. So nakalimutan ko pa. Hindi pa game. Dashi sauce. May mga terms pa. Sabi ni Kuya, needed! Needed yung masa, needed. Oo nga, need. Yung nanay ko, nagsiset up para mag-YouTube. Nag-upload siya sa YouTube. May lightings pa kami, oh. Wala kaming kisame. Baka may gusto mag-sponsor ng kisame, oh. Practice pa siya.